How to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change a spending limit or put a spending limit for your Instagram ads. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right and tap onto the three-bar icon on your top right. Here, scroll below. Under For Professionals, you will see Business Tools and Controls at the second option. Tap Open it and tap on Add Payments at the first option. Here, tap on Payment Methods, then tap on Account Spending Limit. Once you do so, you will see Edit option on your top right. Tap onto it and here tap on to Change. Then change the amount however you want and tap on Save at the bottom of the page. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.